Don't try to call the bottom. We don't know where it is. I said we're searching for support. Nobody knows. There's our 56 target coming in. And in a day like today, we're in a testing now this blue line on the daily. The 58 to 56, I said, shows up. We got 56.5. And in a day like today, I said the most important thing you can do is get into the waterfall and ride it. This is the umbrella. Here's your 5. Here's your 30. Here's your 60. Here's your daily chart. Here's your 15. They're all saying umbrella. This is a classic umbrella pattern. This is the one you print money. Let everybody else guess and try to say can't go any further. Step by step. There's not one angel that's held. It's a good possibility we could break Bernanke put and then try to get to the 58 to 56. Well done. And we can go to any low. Market or support. So you can take profits, but it doesn't mean you have to buy. Great trade. And anybody that got into the 56 zone, well done. You're not going to beat this system. Time is it? 10:15. And I will again remind you, we don't know where the bottom is. Move. Once you get into a trend line break like this, there's no visible support. This is the vacuum. This morning after trend day, and we've got ourselves a barn burner. Great. Sold in range for sure, because part of it's already. Now the market is looking for true support. Absolutely. Absolutely. The trouble is, we've got to keep our sanity while we wait for this move. And then once it gives itself evidence, then you're all over it. And expect to get your last trade stopped out. That's the way it is. You know, because the market kept punching us in the face. And everybody that, you know, originally wanted to get up there, they're calling their 1740s and 1750s, you know. We got him here, whatever, and then all of a sudden, you know, gets smoked, you know, and okay, so we're going to 1740 and on and on. Now, you know, whipsaw those guys instead of just taking it step by step, day by day. Read the tape. Said we don't know that this is going to hold up here. Nobody knows. But if it does, and we come out the bottom, then we've got this neckline significant. Here we are. Hello, Dolly. You know, 56, target achieved. All right, anybody that's got my advice to you, keep an eye on time. And the market is very weak. On a weekday, you hit bounces. And then you expect that the bounces, you know, when you find your bottom, you'll get a little snapback, and then you'll start chopping into a range. So just by knowing our numbers, knowing our potential, and being able to read this chart, it helps us. Because I'm saying to you, once we break this, this is our next low, and then this, and then obviously we've got to think about other things like previous breakouts. You know, like that 49 area. You know, that was a breakout area that's going to get retested one day. So this is the first, you know, significant break backwards that we've had. And typically, once you get it, you don't want to just, you know, be the first to be the brave one and say, okay, I'm buying this. You know, all the guys that kept saying we're still going up there. Yes, we have targets up there, no doubt. But you know what? I said at the time, I kept saying, Just because those are targets doesn't mean risk reward makes those really good ideas. You know, you get another 3 to 5 points of targets available there, and then everybody and their brother is saying, okay, we got to go there. No, you don't. Market would like to get there, but new information becomes available, and traders are saying, okay, let's go the other way. All right, anybody that's playing now, you don't have to buy. You know, I'm saying it again just to make sure we're all clear. This is an umbrella pattern. We're going to get some kind of a bounce. Finance your bounce with profits that you've already made. No profits, no trade long side. Simple as that. Okay, and time and price are saying this is a good place to take profits. See, great call. Absolutely fabulous call yesterday. And you got to remember from day to day, you know, if that's in your mind, I said that 88, lean on that 88. I said because we're not going to break that 88. And that helped. And once you see that, you get up in the morning and you see that, you say, okay, I know where we're going. Great call. Market probably, being as weak as it is, probably we're going to get like a 5-point range that'll set up at one point. And you can still hit bounces today. Well done, team.